Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO A2x. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. At the beginning, let's go to Wallet. And now, from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards and manage your passes. Also you can add new passes like Transit Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips. Tap to pay setup, where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can check full list of participating banks. And next you can manage your passwords in Password Manager. In your data in Wallet you can manage payments data, passes data, and info about private passes data. In Wallet settings you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, help and troubleshooting, updates and offers, and success animations. In the end you can go to help and feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.